.50 caliber flintlock pistol. Just unboxed. I got 4 or 5 shots downrange with it already. Had to make a few adjustments to the sights because I was shooting a little high and right, so we adjusted it. We'll see how it goes. It's not made to be the most accurate pistol in the world, but you know, depending on how you hold it and how you shoot it, it could definitely kill a deer pretty easily. So I'm gonna give it a try and see how it shoots. So let's load it up first. Ready? 30 grains, 2F GoX powder. We'll use a patch and just a regular lead ball. Okay, it's ready to go. Put a little pan powder in there, 4F GoX. Okay, I'll have my buddy Dan here stand off to the side because he's right in the line of fire. Just right there, that's good. Okay, let's do this. That's it. Let's check it out. That thing is sweet. Yep, right there. Not bad, a 30-yard shot. Flintlock pistol. Pretty cool.